Right, we're moving on to the axial skeleton here. So this means it's going to be comprised of our skull, our vertebrae, our sacrum, and the rib cage. All right, I'm going to do a completely separate video on just the bones of the skull, so we're not going to worry about him right now. We're going to start with these three little guys. These are vertebrae. All you need to know is that they are vertebrae. If you want to know a little bit more, here we have a cervical vertebrae. This is going to be from your neck. Then we have a thoracic vertebrae, which is going to be from your upper back. And then a lumbar, which is going to be from your lower back or the small of your back. Here we have two ribs. Notice that they are C-shaped. They are different from the clavicle because these are C-shaped, whereas the clavicle is S-shaped. All right, so we're going to take a quick peek before we move on to the sacrum at our rib cage here. All right, so here is our beautiful rib cage. You'll notice this is our sternum. The sternum is comprised of three separate bones fused into one, or three separate parts. You have the manubrium, the body, and the xiphoid process. For our test, you just need to know that this is the sternum. We have different types of ribs. So we have the true ribs, which connect directly to the sternum. They are numbers 1 through 7. Then we have ribs 8, 9, and 10 down here. They connect to the sternum via the cartilage of rib 7, so we call those false ribs. And then in the very back here, we have these two cute little guys that don't connect to the sternum at all, and they are called floating ribs, right? For our purposes, you just need to know ribs, ribs. Okay. Next, we have this bone here, this funny shaped one that kind of looks like an elephant, is known as the sacrum.